Today I'm going to show you how to unlock hidden flags in Microsoft Edge to improve speed and performance. These settings are built into Edge, but they're hidden for a reason because they're experimental features. That means they can help boost performance, but they can also change browser behavior, so it's important to know exactly what you're enabling is. If you want to make Edge feel a little faster and smoother, this guide is for you. And before we get into it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple browser tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the address bar at the top and type edge://flags. Then press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Edge Experiments page, where Microsoft keeps a list of hidden and advanced browser features. On this page, you'll see a long list of flags, and at first it can look a little overwhelming. But don't worry, you do not need to change everything. In fact, the key is to only search for the performance-related flags you actually want to try. At the top of the page, there is a search bar. Use that search bar to look for specific features such as GPU rasterization or parallel downloading. GPU rasterization can help Edge use your graphics processor more efficiently, which may improve how pages are rendered. Parallel downloading can help speed up downloads by splitting them into multiple connections. Depending on your device and browsing habits, these options may make a noticeable difference. Once you find a flag you want to change, click the drop-down menu next to it. It will usually be set to default. Change that setting to enabled. If you're following along with a few different speed-related flags, repeat the same process for each one you want to test. Just remember, enable only the options you understand and avoid randomly turning on every experimental setting because that can sometimes cause instability or unexpected bugs. After enabling the flags you want, Edge will usually prompt you to restart the browser. This step is important because the changes will not take effect until Edge restarts. Click the restart button when you're ready and let the browser close and reopen. Once Edge comes back on screen, the new settings should be active. At this point, you can test how the browser feels. Try opening a few websites, switching tabs, and checking whether pages load more smoothly. If you enable download-related settings, try downloading a file and see whether the process feels faster. If you enabled rendering-related settings, pay attention to scrolling, page responsiveness, and how quickly content appears. If you ever want to undo a change, you can always go back to edge://flags, search for that same feature, and switch it back to default. That makes this a safe way to experiment because nothing is permanent. It's also a good idea to change 1 or 2 flags at a time so you can actually tell which setting makes a difference. That way, if your browser feels better, you'll know exactly what helped, and if something doesn't seem right, you can easily revert it. So to recap, the process is simple. Open Edge. Go to edge://flags, search for a performance feature like GPU rasterization or parallel downloading, set it to enabled, and restart the browser. That's how you unlock hidden Edge flags and potentially improve speed. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy browser and Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.